Hi everyone. Have you ever accidentally replaced something important in your clipboard? With Windows 11, Clipboard History is here to save the day. This handy feature lets you store up to 25 entries, including text, HTML, and images under 4 megabytes for quick retrieval later. Let me show you how to enable and use it. First, press Windows plus V on your keyboard. This opens a pop-up menu with a message saying, "Let's get started." Turn on Clipboard History to copy and view multiple items. Next, click Turn On to enable Clipboard History. Now start copying items as you normally would by selecting them and pressing Ctrl plus C or using the app menu. The Clipboard History will begin saving your copied items. To view your Clipboard History, press Windows plus V anytime. You'll see a list of your copied items with the most recent ones at the top. Click any item in the list and it will be pasted wherever your cursor is, just like pressing Ctrl plus V. If you want to delete an item from the history, click the three-dot menu next to it and select the trash can icon. To clear all items, simply click the Clear All button at the top of the menu. For items you use frequently, click the push pin icon to pin them at the top of the clipboard history. Keep in mind that clearing the list will also remove pinned items. And that's it. Clipboard History is now your productivity ally. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next guide.